video, putting this one together, this quick one together, because the issue I'm having is, here's my car remote, and the car remote, their semicircular loop got bent and then I lost it. So I've been using this and I really don't like the look of this, and it often just pries apart. So I'm looking to salvage the loop from this donor remote, and here's how you do it. First off, take the battery out. Or take the battery cover off rather, and use a T9 hex tool. Take the screw out. Pry the two pieces apart, like so. They go back together like this, apart. And once you get the two pieces apart, what you do is you put an object in between these two pieces like this, and the piece will pop open eventually. Maybe if I do it this way, it's easier. There we go. Careful not to lose the button pieces, like I did. Two pieces come apart, and there are the buttons. Put the buttons back in. If you need to replace any of the buttons or salvage any from the donor remote, now's the time. Those back together. Not sure why I'm doing that. Anyway. That can all be put back together if needed. This is what I'm after. So I'm going to take my existing remote, do the same thing with it. And make sure you don't get the pieces mixed up, so take all the donor pieces, move them over. Keep your remote pieces together. Pop it open. Screw it apart. Take the key out, push forward. Two pieces are apart. Take an object, pop this apart. That should come apart just enough. You don't have to take it fully apart, just far enough to be able to put this back in. It slips right in there. Make sure that's not in the way. Get out of there. Snap it back together. There you go. We got a new loop. Put the key back together. Screw it back together. Don't overdo it. Good. Battery's in. I'm gonna look. This red washer looks like it's in better shape than mine, so I'll set that aside, put this in mine. I'm done. Loop's in there nice and tight. Get rid of this, put this back on the ring.